If you are creative, you want to stick to this video because it's going to be beneficial. Big announcement. Hi guys, EKD here. Wishing you a happy new year. Somebody say EKD, that's awkward. You are wishing us a happy new year in February. It is what it is. I've not posted any video since the beginning of this year, and this is my first video. I've been planning out to come and shoot a video, but we had a lot of things on the tone or happening underground, and we are introducing a lot of things. So this is a video to make a lot of announcements, maybe one or two announcements, and tell you what is coming or what will be coming ahead. So first of all, we are going to be widening our horizon because creativity is for all. So this year we are not going to be limited to only talking to designers, graphics designers, and like. And secondly, you guys know that I'm big on mentorship. That's why we've done different platforms like the Designery for designers, mentoring designers, getting them to win a prize, partake in different tasks and different things like that. So I'm very big on mentorship. This year I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be launching a podcast. I'm going to be launching, I've launched the podcast. I've launched it, right? It's on Spotify. The title of the podcast is Outside Creativity, right? You might think, why did EKD name it like that? So Outside Creativity, because we cannot be talking about just softwares. We need to move to another aspect that designer barely look at, right? Real life scenarios, business tips, and different things that we do not get to talk about in tutorial videos and all that. We are going to be talking about reality. It's going to help you guys a lot. And I guess a lot of persons want to know how I work and things like that, get to know me personally, the kind of mindset I have and things like that. You are going to get to see it on that podcast. And very important, this one is a big one. I'm going to be having my pro group. It's already started, right? I just need a few persons. I don't need a lot of persons at all. I just need a few persons that want to join the pro group. Of course, it's on a monthly subscription base. If you are interested, I'll get to give you more time, more of my attention, and of course, I am going to be grooming you guys. That's right, I don't need a lot of people, right? I'm going to be grooming you guys to become Adobe influencers just as I am. And of course, there are a lot of benefits to becoming an Adobe influencer. So I'm going to be raising this few persons to become that, as well as other things. You're going to be having time to talk with me every month. You have a one-on-one with me. So all this initiative I'm trying to introduce is just to skyrocket your career this year. So if you know you're interested, just indicate on the comment section. So this year, expect us to do crazy interviews with people that you would not even expect. Big names, right? We'll be doing all that this year. So you just stay glued. If you've not subscribed to the YouTube channel, subscribe. So see you some other time. I remain EKD, and we are going to bring videos to you back to back. Remember, we are increasing our horizons. We are reaching a wider audience this year. I'm moving from being that traditional EKD, right? We're moving to doing bigger things. So see you some other time. I remain EKD. Bye for now.